Alright, cool. So what is electrolysis? Electrolysis is the process of splitting the aqueous or molten solutions using electricity. Now electro means electricity obviously, and lysis means to split or break apart. Now I have a solution of copper sulfate here, and we can actually separate the copper metal from the sulfate ions by using electricity. Alright, cool. So what I have here is 2 carbon electrodes, and what we're going to do is attach some crocodile clips to both of them. So I'm going to put one there and I'm going to put the other one here. And now what we're going to do is put the 2 carbon electrodes into the copper sulfate solution, and then we're going to run an electrical current through the copper sulfate. Okay. Right, so if you look at the copper sulfate solution, you can see a lot of oxygen bubbles being produced at the anode. And the reason why is because the negatively charged hydroxide ions in the solution are being attracted to the positively charged anode. And when they go to the anode, they are oxidized, which means that they lose an electron and it turns into oxygen gas. Right, now when we take the carbon electrodes out of the copper sulfate solution, we can see a large buildup of copper metal. And the reason why is because the copper ions turned into copper atoms and they were reduced, which means that they gain 2 electrons.